let's start with the question, how is it possible to get a sticker to the top of that chimney? It's too difficult and dangerous to climb, it's too tall for a ladder, but there is a way, and it uses one of these, an FPV drone. So that's what we're going to have a go at in this video. This drone is not only capable of being able to fly to the top of here, but it's also agile enough and controllable enough to be able to effectively bonk a sticker onto the top of the chimney. So if this place ever gets knocked down, someone might just find a sticker at the very top of the chimney and wonder how on earth it got there. The difficulty is we need the sticker to stay attached so it doesn't blow off in the wind, but not be on too strong so that when it hits it, it remains on the chimney, not on the drone. So that's where I came up with quite a clever method to be able to do this, and I'm going to show you that method now. The original method for this came from Mr Steele, and it involved using a piece of sponge which was cut out of a car washing sponge, and that kind of allows you to bonk the sticker onto the object. But it used a lot of double-sided tape, and I found it a little bit unreliable in the past. It was a great idea, so I've just kind of improved it very slightly, I think, just make it a bit more reliable. So what I've done is just taken some packing sponge here and just cut it down to the size of the sticker that we're going to use, and then I've layered that up. So I put about 3 layers here to get about that thickness. Okay, and I've put some tape around the edge of that. The other thing you're going to need is some of these N42 neodymium magnets, and these are great to have actually for all kinds of little uses like crafts and that type of thing, but they're pretty strong. They're only 4mm by 0.5mm. I'll put a link for them in the description so you can get some of these, and you just put 2 in each corner. Okay, so there's actually 2 magnets there, and you can just use tape for this, but I'm using a sticker just to make it kind of look cool when it's in my bag, and out of convenience really. I'm going to make sure that stays down by just taking some extra tape here to make sure that doesn't come off. That is going to be stuck to the bottom of here, and all you do for that is just use some double-sided tape, and I don't do that yet, I'll do it out in the field. I'll just stick that on really firmly. So that's all very well. We've got these magnets here. Here's a whole stack of these little magnets which, you know, magnetize to the sticker, but the sticker itself, the one that we're going to put on the object, is of course is not magnetic, right? Well, that's where the shim comes in. I've got some metal shim here. I think I got it off eBay, but I'll try and get a link so I can put that in the description as well. And you might be able to just use something you've got laying around your house. But what this is steel shim, and steel shim is just basically very, very thin steel. So all we're going to do is put a very small amount of this metal shim in the sticker and put it in the corners, and this is actually going to be our sticker that gets left on the object. This is the sticker that we're going to bonk onto it. So we're going to make it twice as thick. All we do is just take that and line it up. There we go. It'll just stay on there whilst it flies along, and then when it comes to do, of course we'll peel this off when we're in the field, so this will be really sticky, and then when it goes to bonk, that will just stick onto the object, and then because these magnets are not insanely strong, they're so small, it'll just come right off. So it's really effective, and it stores in your bag very neatly. I can just pop that into my bag now, and that's ready for a sticker bonk. So I've got a load of double-sided tape on there, that sticks onto there, and then we've got the 3 magnets on there and the little shim pieces of metal in there, so that just goes bink on like that. And then I'm going to peel it off and bonk it on. The only thing is that's going to be sticky, so when I take off I can't have it sitting flat on the ground. But luckily someone left these little bricks. I'll pick that up in a minute. Okay, so there we go. Seems pretty promising. Finally ready to have a go at this. Ooh, that digital life. Oh man, this is my chance. There's no wind. Oh. Hasn't blown off, has it?
Yeah.
It did?
Yeah.
It blew off? Oh, you're kidding? What the heck? It blew off instantly. Damn.
How are you holding it on, Matt?
Magnets.
Magnets? It's sticking magnetic?
Yeah, because I've got some metal shim in here.
Okay. That's brilliant, that.
I'm a magician, you see. If it's 2 magnets, is that twice as powerful? That feels stronger. Probably should have accounted for the downward airflow. Right, let me know what happens. I'm guessing it's just going to come off. Yay or nay?
I think it's on.
Think it's on? I'm just going to go for it then.
Yeah.
I've got to go kind of slow so the wind doesn't mess this up. Right. Cool. Now, I can see the faded white of the old sticker from the old method. Right, I'm just going to go for this. I think I did it! I think I did it! Wait, I can't tell. There's a black mark there. Oh no! I reckon it must have blown off. What? Okay, coming in. Let me know if it's still on. I reckon it's blown off. Okay. Is it? It's still on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Many magnets.
Okay. Double the magnets, maybe too strong. So I'm gonna have to. That means I'm gonna. Damn! Double magnets. Right. Okay. I'm gonna have to go. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go some speed now. That's concerning. Right. Gonna have to go a lot faster.
That's got to be it.
It felt good, but I don't think it. Oh wait. Oh hello. What's this? There it is. Oh, I need to hover. I've got shaky thumbs. Right. There it is. Oh, looking sweet. That looks fresh.
2 minutes.
Oh, there's those guys. They're like, what the heck? Woo! I wanted to go into a sweet run at this point, but now we've got the graffiti artists in the bando, so I'm gonna have to just bring it in. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, come on. Is that on the bricks? Anyway, never mind that. It worked. Yes, it worked. I can't believe how well that worked. Let me know in the comments if you've got a drone and if you'd have a go at this method. If you like the logo on the stickers, by the way, I've got it with these hats. Nice fresh snapback hat with the green underside, and these are available for a limited time. Check out the Teespring store below. If you're interested in FPV drones, I've put a link to a video right here. Have a look at that and share this video with a friend who's into technology and creativity. I'll see you next time. So it's just Ryan singing.
You
Right.
gotta roll with it. You gotta.
Take your time, I think is the lyric, yeah.